Hey guys, Captain Blue Shield here, and we're back with another video. Today we're going to be playing some Apex Legends, and we're doing shotguns only. We do pretty good, so watch to the end. But let's get into this. I won't even post this to YouTube though, because we probably won't win. Alright, shotguns only.
I'm gonna save the recent gameplay, boys.
Shotguns only. Bro, why are we going to the hottest drop on earth?
We should land there. We should land there.
Guys,
This part too.
this is the best part.
We go down that path, okay?
Yep,
We do what?
we go down that hole.
Find a lot of white people. That way we can.
Oh gosh.
Okay.
No, just find heals in general, bro.
I got a Mastiff. Is that a shotgun?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm not doing the shotgun.
No, bro. I need a. Yes, you are.
I have to.
Alright, boys. Down the canyon. Go.
Seriously.
Run.
I don't have a gun.
It's fine. It's fine.
Fine. I'll put my hemlock up.
Please,
Here, I'm
bro.
just gonna keep the hemlock, okay? Just in case, you know?
Bro, you're cheating.
Yeah, but...
I mean, you're not gonna
do
do
anything with
anything. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. They're just gonna come up and stab me with their knife. That I want. And then I'm gonna steal it and run away, and they're never gonna get it back.
No, but what if someone wanted someone's like knife? So then they got stabbed and then they just ran away with the knife in their chest. No!
I honestly write that idea.
I got the ultimate rat spot, bro.
I just want the spinning knife, dude. I'm so slow.
Yeah, but we have to go to ring. Do you
Wait.
not see that? Yay! I need ammo. You just sold the ammo. Alright, grab that evac.
Evacs. Take all the evacs, yeah.
That's shots, bro. Bro, I can't hear anything, Eli.
Exactly,
Why?
bro. Turn your mic
Oh my gosh.
on. I'll lock it.
Okay.
No way. There's no chance. There's no way I didn't see that, bro. I'm actually blind. My God. Look at my shields. Guys, look at my shields. Look at my shields.
Yeah.
You see it? Now look at them now.
Bro. How are we finding this, bro? This is insane. Dude, you keep stealing all the ammo. I have like 8 shots. Oh gosh, that's shots.
That is zone.
Guys, take this gravity cannon.
Yeah.
I'm grabbing a
Eli,
grenade.
come on. Lock in, bro.
Grenade. Guys,
I'm here.
we're about to get beamed, bro.
Yep. This was a very bad place to go with a gravity cannon.
Oh no, that's a dim trap.
Toxic, of course it is.
They're gonna be like, kids. Oh my gosh, they're running. Yeah! Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm coming.
Help me, bro. Help me.
Race it the way. Y'all can grab. We can gravity cannon fastly.
Guys, I'm down here.
Come here. What?
How?
On me. Eli, get in. Eli, get in.
Ah.
Gravity cannon. What's so loud in here? No way we win this, bro. No chance.
Oh my gosh.
Watch out! I think there might be kids coming down the zip line. Yep, there's more.
Eli, bro. Why are you standing in the gas? I have 1 shot, by the way.
He's not breaking my knockdown shield yet.
Nice, bro.
Nice.
No chance we won that with
I need
shotgun.
shots, bro. I need gun. Ammo.
Can I get rezzed?
Yeah, I got you.
Thank you.
Bro, where's the other death box over here? Is there any ammo in it?
All right, I gotta get some stuff.
Oh my
Ooh,
gosh,
yes.
bro.
I can't find a secondary shotgun, bro. This kid had no bats.
I have 3 bats. I'm going up to this dangerous place, by the way, cause we already killed the kids that were here.
Yep. There's no way we won that with shotgun.
I know, bro. I killed that one kid. I kept hitting him for like
I just
7.
want to say that I did get an
The
assist.
Fuse thought he could take the wrath of the Mastiff, bro. He thought.
That's kids. Yep, I heard him. I heard him.
No chance.
On me, on me, on me. I mean, basically on all of us, but
We're in zone.
I can't hear anything, bro.
Me either.
I'm gonna watch
Stupid
this side, John.
zone is really loud. And Eli's mic.
Nice, Mike. We should get on top.
You want me to mute again for this fight?
No, it's fine.
No, we're good. Up top, up top, up top.
Dude, I have an Eva 8 and a massive.
Pad down to the gravity. Is everyone ready? Slide on the pad. Slide on the pad.
There's kids, bro.
I hit the kid. I hit the kid. Go, 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 go. I hit the
Kids!
kid on the gravity.
Kids!
Oh gosh.
Nope, that's kid.
Should I go back? Ah! I accidentally went back!
Go back.
Oh my gosh.
Really bad spot. I'm in a really bad spot.
Eli?
Can we stay over?
Yes. Leave. Do not go for him. He has them.
Eat back out of here. If y'all can get to me, I can eat back out of here.
No thanks.
Just slide down the hill. It's not that hard.
Alright, Eli. Are you ready?
Me?
Are you
We're
taking the
going
gravity?
down. Nope, we're sliding down the hill. Like you instructed.
Yeah,
that's fine.
Why can't I pop? There.
Oh my gosh. Eli,
I'm coming down, guys.
go quick, go quick.
Holy crap,
Before it runs out.
That's like freaking
Oh no.
gone, bro.
Because these kids are shooting it. We're split up.
Oh no. I circled around the map. I'm faster than all these kids who bond, so I'm good.
Oh my gosh, I see them all.
I'm using an ultimate accelerant. Oh gosh. I'm getting shot at. I'm getting shot at. They're on top of that roof, guys, and I'm getting shot at.
Yeah, I
and
know.
I'm not in circle yet.
I could probably flank them and get a couple shots off, but I'll die. Suicide mission.
Where do I run to? There's like no cover.
Run the. Use your ult. Use your ult. No, use your ult.
I already used
He
it.
already did.
It's recharging a little. I used an ultimate accelerant, so it's at 70%.
We're rushing Eli, I'm running.
Ah! Oh my gosh!
They just rushed Eli. I'm running, bro, I'm running.
I'm patting you guys.
No, they are good, bro.
No, they're not. They just padded to you, and you didn't know what was happening.
Dude, that was scary. You said it. I was like, wait, where? And then you just like came out and said, surprise, mother.
I have a Mastiff and a PK. Oh gosh, they're coming back. I'm charging my PK, bro.
I got a massive and an evade.
Bro, this is scary. Shiva me timbas, mate. Are they coming towards us, or are they just...
Where do you go, zone? This is
I know, that's what I'm saying. And they're in our way.
just wanna casually like
Run.
just or we can full sprint. That works.
Go around this so they don't.
Yep, run, go. Holster your weapon.
I know, that's what I always do when I'm running.
What's in that care package?
Too bad. Oh no. Oh no. Why is there a zipline here? That's a Pathfinder zipline. Alright, I can craft your banner. And then I have a mobile respawn beacon. No, you can't.
Yes, I can't.
You're not a health person, bro. Chill.
Sorry about that one, coach.
We're going over there.
Don't go for the res right
I'm
now.
stuck. Okay. Stay on the mountain. Literally on the mountain wall.
Yeah,
We have no cover here at all.
I know. Go real quick.
Get it.
How long does it take?
Pop your mobile respawn. Hurry up.
That's what I'm trying to do. That's kind of far.
Get it. Go.
Why does it take so long? Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh.
Sniper.
Just get it off.
Oh my gosh.
I got it. You get covered.
Oh my gosh, that's an ulti. You just went the opposite way I went.
That's not good.
There's kids on me too. Eli, we got you.
Oh, you keep your guns back.
Yeah, they made that new. That's kind of new.
You're
Oh my gosh, there's people all over me. Guys.
I'm probably just gonna die again. Oh my gosh, storm. Zone, whatever.
You can call it storm, that's what I call it. Most of the time. Oh my gosh.
Are we all
Dang,
together
it's
now?
so powerful in this game.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
Please help, please help.
Shotgun's out.
Oh my gosh.
I hit him at 50 something.
Wanna get blue? Ready to heal up. Eli, get over here and heal up.
I set a little trap for him. My little thing.
Nice.
Dead?
They're there.
Cracked.
Nice. Dead? Above.
Yep.
Go. Oh wow.
Everyone push up.
Pushing up.
Cracked. One shot.
He's one.
Jason.
He's actually one down.
Dead. Here, I advise everybody, not just headphone users, everybody. This is really loud. Turn your volume down. We won! Oh, dude! Dude! There's no way!